Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss why there is difference between legal age and biological age or urges for sex. The age of attaining the adulthood that universally accepted is 18 years. However, there are plus minus for different purposes. But 18 is the most acceptable age of adulthood. After attaining this age, one can apply for driving license, one can vote, and of course one can have sex legally. But there is the contradiction that the law fixed the age of marriage in India is 18 for girls and 21 for boys. However, if a boy caught having sex after attaining his 18, that is permissible. On the contrary, biologically, which technically defined as the age of puberty starts ranging between 10 and 14 for girls and for boys 12 and 16, that is 2 years later. In such a case, the question is why there is difference between the legal age and biological age in reference to having sex. To understand the answer of this question, let's understand first sexual urges are physiological demands and needs, and it doesn't need some external information and training. Therefore, starting with the puberty age, they not only realize external physiological changes, but rather mentally they also start feeling a different sort of excitements as secretion of sex hormones, and such induced feeling internally instigate to have sex. On the contrary, law has defined the different ages of having sex. So there is conflict. Which one to follow? Listen to physiological sexual urges or follow the law? But you need to pay here attention that definitely there are various genuine reasons that validate the legal age as the right age of having safe sex. Important of them are, though biologically capable but below the age of 18, boys and girls are not matured enough, neither mentally nor physically, to face the consequences of such act. There are many other points such as if they practice unsafe sex, girls can be pregnant, and becoming pregnant and or mother at such a tender age is not healthy for mother as well as for her baby, and it may lead to weakness, illness, and even there is threat of life. Unsafe sex may also cause sexual disease, that is STD, sexually transmitted disease. The paradox of such STD is it is largely incurable. Next, though biologically fit to have sex, but this is also the age of physiological growth. Therefore, sexual act may also hamper their physiological growth and they may become physically weak and mentally sick. Next, since sexual relationship has direct relation with mind and body, so it may badly affect the career of teenagers. Last but not the least, since at this age they are pretty immature, therefore they may become victims of some illegal activities, that is juvenile delinquency. Because of all these reasons, law has masterly fixed the age of having sex a little higher than the biological age. And this is not at all a new law, but rather it has been practiced since the long period of time. So there is as such no controversy. For better health and recognizable career, follow the law and enjoy healthy and happy life. Moreover, the kind of environment we are into. It is really awkward and weird to talk about the physical relationship or sexual activity. But honestly, we have to come out from such mind setup and need to educate our younger generations with free mind so that they can have safe sex and better life. However, regarding the same, if you have the question, any confusion, you can put that in the comment box given below. You will get the answer.